Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how accurate AI translation works. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to know how accurate your AI translation works, you should be mindful that modern AI translation achieves around 70 to 90% accuracy by using neural machine translation, that is NMT, to analyze entire sentence for context rather than word for word substitution. It leverages deep learning on massive bilingual data sets, often incorporating translation memory and glossaries for consistency. Top tools reach near human accuracy for common languages by focusing on context, though they still struggle with nuance. So, this is how accurate your AI translation works. I hope you found this video helpful. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video.